My mother's name is Afia. My mother is a symbol of strength who holds the entire family together. She is a teacher by profession and is a very friendly person by nature. She is a very caring person who showers love and affection on all the members of my family. She is a connecting link of the different members of my family, as she binds everyone together. She sacrifices all her wishes, needs and desires to see a smile on my face. She helps me in my studies and guides me while doing my school homework. Her love towards me is unconditional, and she takes care of me and the entire family. She provides a safe and secure environment for me and protects me from the evils of society. I pray to God to keep her hale and hearty and protect her from any illness.